Hello dear students, in today's video I am going to discuss notice writing and email writing. We are going to solve the notice and email from the ICSE specimen sample question paper for ICSE semester 2 English language. This is question number 3. The first question, you are the president of the school science club. You and your team are planning to organize a creative mask making event using renewable materials. Write a notice to be put up on the school notice board giving details of the event. We are going to solve this question first. Do check the description box for more notice and email writing videos, and the special attraction is more than 25 catchy notice writing titles. Now, I am sharing with you format number 2. Specimen for email and notice writing. In this session, I am going to follow format number 2. Your school is conducting an inter-class talent search. Write out a notice to be put up in your school informing students about the event and inviting them to participate. This is the specimen answer, 5 marks. Everybody's got talent, the title and then the heading inter-class talent search, date, time, venue, and then the concluding statement. This is format number 2. You may follow format number 1. Do whatever has been instructed by your teacher at school. Next, now let us solve the question from the ICSE specimen sample paper for ICSE semester 2. The creative mask making event. This is the solution of the question from the ICSE specimen paper, ICSE semester 2, creative mask making event. First, draw a box neatly with the help of your pencil and a ruler. Then, write a very catchy title. Since this is a creative mask making event using renewable materials, look at how I have written down the title. Create, make and protect. Directly related to mask making process. You are protected from the virus by the mask. Therefore, I have used the term protect, and you will have to make it, and you will have to make a creative mask. And therefore, I have written create. This is how you write the catchy notice writing titles. After that, leave one line and write down the heading. Creative mask making event using renewable materials. This has to be written from the question itself. If it's an inter-class talent search competition, write it down. And since this is a mask making competition, I have directly taken the heading from the question itself. It is pretty easy, no worries at all. After that, leave another line and write down the date properly. How will you write down the date? First the day, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, whatever. And then the date along with the month and the year. And the date must be written properly. 2nd April 2022, if it's 1st February 2022, write down February, not Feb. Punctuate properly. Saturday, comma, 2nd April, comma, 2022. After that, leave another line and write the time of the event. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Again, punctuate properly. A.M. A.M. or A.M. You can write A.M. in capital as well. Punctuate properly and write the date, time and venue correctly, because you will be marked on the correct usage of the format. Don't mix the formats. If you are following format 2, go for that. If you are following format 1, follow that strictly. After that, leave another line and write down the venue. School auditorium, comma, techno-modern public school. Half marks for the school auditorium and half marks for the name of the school. The smaller place has to be mentioned first and then the bigger place. The smaller place is the school hall, the school auditorium, and the bigger place is techno-modern public school. This is how you write the venue. After that, mention the details. All the students from classes 7 to 12, the target. This is the target. I am targeting this section. I am trying to attract the attention of the students of classes 7 to 12. All the students from classes 7 to 12 are requested to participate in the event. Full stop. Prizes and certificates of merit will be awarded to the participants. What is the special attraction? And then for further details, contact Ma'am Roy, Mr. Sen, contact the Vice Principal, comma, write down the designation of Ma'am Roy, the school coordinator, and the last date by 20th March 2002. You must be very careful while writing down the last date. The event is going to take place on 2nd April 2022 and you will have to submit your names latest by 20th March 2022. Do not fix the event on the day of your examination. And the issuance of the notice, the date of issuance of the notice is important. Again, the date of the program is also important. So from the date of issuance of the notice, provide a gap of say perhaps 20 days, 14 days in order to submit the names of the participants. This is how you write your notice. Now let's focus on email. Just have a look. I'm adjusting this. Just have a look and practice some notice writing exercises on your own. The email is directly related to the notice. Question 2. Write an email to the general manager of a local hospital requesting him or her to send a senior doctor to talk to the participants at the event about the quality of mask which would give them the best protection. This is again format number 2 provided by the council. Write an email to the principal of a neighboring school requesting him or her to send a team of teachers to judge the event. In this case, it is the inter-class talent search competition. Check the ICSE website in order to get the formats 1 and 2. Just have a look and then we will solve the semester 2 specimen paper question. First, you will write down the email address of the principal. In this case, to principal, finished, then subject, leave line, write down dear madam or dear sir, and then the body of the email, anticipating a positive response, yours faithfully. This is basically format number 2. Just have a look and now we will solve it. Format number 2 and the specimen question paper, creative mask making event using renewable materials, and you will now request the general manager of a local hospital to send a senior doctor. 2. GM Dr. Khan 123@gmail.com. Write the email address as you wish, but it must be a plausible one. Do not write discodancer ... @gmail.com. No, not an incorrect email address. The format must be a plausible one, a correct one. GM Dr. Khan 123. And then the subject, again a colon. Request to send a senior doctor for a creative mask making event using renewable materials. I have taken this from the question itself. It is easy. Write down the subject properly. Again, directly related to the topic. Next, leave one line, write down dear madam or dear sir. Either dear madam or dear sir. Don't write both madam or sir. No. Leave one line and it's time for us to write the email now. I am Monica Thapa, the president of the Science Club of Techno Modern Public School. Our school is organizing a creative mask making event using renewable materials, create, make, protect for the students of classes 7 to 12. Take help from the notice that you have written just a while ago. The facts, the pieces of information must match. Create, make, protect, the catchy title, the target classes 7 to 12 and the subject creative mask making event using renewable materials. It's as simple as that. Once you write down your notice, email writing will become a piece of cake, as easy as a piece of cake. Next, leave one line and then mention the date, time, venue. The event will be held on Saturday, 2nd April 2022 from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and the venue is the school auditorium. After that, again leave a line and request him to send a senior doctor. We request you to send a senior doctor of your prestigious hospital to attend the event. We will be highly obliged to have him talk to the participants. Why will he come? What is the purpose of his visit? We will be highly obliged to have him talk to the participants at the event about the quality of mask which would give them the best protection. Again, this is taken from the question itself. Don't feel nervous or don't worry about what you will write. Just learn the format and apply yourselves. After that, leave another line anticipating your positive response, a comma. Leave another line, yours faithfully, comma, write down the name and then in the next line the designation, in the next line the name of the school. This is the email. Follow the instruction given at school. Now this is, I'm just adjusting it for you to have a look. This is the email. Try to fit your email in one page.